I'm seeing you talking sweetly with someone. Eight of Wands is an indication that you are receiving sweet messages, love, affection, back and forth. So meaning to say, meron ka ditong kausap and you're sweet. Maybe you're already a couple. Maybe you are someone here na malapit na maging kayo, just like how this resonates. But you are having a sweet time with this person. For some reason, gusto ko sabihin ito ay love. Pero ang pinaka napapansin ko dito is yung mountain. At pag meron tayo ditong nafe-feel na parang something, then hindi natin yun isinasawalang bahala, lalo na dito sa aking channel. Let me dive deeper here for you guys. Because hindi naman na kayo bago or iba sa akin. I feel like lahat kayo ay iniri ko. Nanay. Yeah, I'm your second mom right here. So, let me find more information for you guys. And I would love to do that. Okay. Let's go. Oh, that's you. It looks like there's some kind of a wish na natupad rito, pero parang sinasabi mo na parang kalahati lang nung wish yung natupad, no? So it looks like you're telling me na yung wish na yon is parang kalahati lang yung nabigay sa'yo, no? Alam mo yung commercial nung Fita? Yung isang guy 'no, nung tinulungan niya na ibigay yung kanya ritong fita 'no, dun sa isang old woman, 'di ba, binigay niya yung kalahati dun sa old woman and then nag-wish siya ng sports car 'no, yung red. And then binigay ito sa kanya ta's kalahati lang 'no, parang ganun yung feeling ninyo. So, parang meron kayo ritong wish na parang natupad nga pero hindi kumpleto? There's a particular guy, particular woman on mind. Okay, could be dealing with someone specific, but let me see more. This person's good at expressing his or her emotions and feelings for you, but something here feels off. Something feels not right. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting secret. Yeah. Are you really allowing this? Okay, I got it. Okay. You could be in a secret relationship with this person. Or maybe this person here is asking you na isikreto mo na itong relationship na to. That you ba? That's why you feel anxious. It looks like I'm seeing already the bottom of the deck even though hindi pa natin binubuklat. This person here ay may sinisecret din sa inyo. Diba? And it confirmed my intuition. Diba? Hindi ko nga lang intuition eh. Ito rin yung alam mo. Hi and hello there, collective. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay. And of course, lahat tayong gender dito ba ay lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Puwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga magkapalit-palit. Why? Kasi general reading ito, and at the end of the day, everybody, you have your own free will na puwede niyong gamitan anytime, anywhere. But here, it looks like mga babes na someone here could be, doing something here tricky. But this person's very good sa pag-express niya sa inyo ng emotions and feelings. Mapa words, mapa actions. So, ang wish mo rito, sweetheart, is matapos na yung pagiging single mo and magkaroon ka na ng boyfriend, girlfriend, ng ka-in relationship. Yan, no? At talaga naman na isi-celebrate mo, no, ang pagtatapos ng iyong singleness era. If ever man na merong guy or woman, LGBTQ, of course, welcome din kayo. If ever man may dumating na tao rito, no, na magugustuhan ninyo or mamahalin ninyo, no, and then voila, someone here came into your life just recently for others of you, and for others, hindi pa siya dumadating, but this person soon, very pretty soon to arrive in your life, no? I do see that this person right here is someone who's young, lively, free-spirited, not really an individual na tamad, 'no, pero sa nakikita ko rito okey naman siya pagdating sa kaperahan, 'no. So, hindi ko naman nakikitang magastos siya rito, pero nakikita ko rito na parang medyo malaki-laki yung parang nailalabas niyang money, okey. So, monthly, 'no. So, hindi ko nakikita na ito ay napupunta sa kaniyang mga utilities lang like water consumption, electricity consumption, mga you know that Manila Water, 'no, or Meralco kind of thing, 'no. So, 'yan. Hindi lang diyan napupunta, hindi lang sa pagkain niya, 'no. Parang nakikita ko rito nag-e-exceed pa siya sa budget niya, 'no. Pero pagdating naman sa pera, nakita ko naman na mahal niya naman yung trabaho niya, masinop naman siya sa trabaho niya, loyal siya sa trabaho niya, ano man yung pinagkakakitaan niya rito, puwedeng meron din siya ritong part-time pa nga. Pero kung sino man siya, 'no, sounds like okey naman, 'no? Yeah, to you at first, no? Everything sounds like beautiful. Everything sounds right. Everything looks fine up until this person here speak sa inyo like this. No? Ano ba yung sinabi niya, Miss Yan? Ba't ako nagiging anxious dyan, no? This person here, like what I've said, magaling siya rito, 'no, sa pag-express sa inyo ng emotions and words, actions, yes, nagma-match. This person could be younger than you with the Page of Wands energy but doesn't have to be. Ano nga ba yung parang mali diyan sa kanya at ba't parang feeling ko, Miss Yan, hindi natupad yung buo or kabuuan ng wish ko, feeling ko kalahati lang, Kasi this person here, okay? For some reason na hindi mo maintindihan kahit anong anggulo mo tingnan, maaaring meron siya ritong sasabihin na magdulot rito ng pagdadalawang isip sa'yo. Two of Swords energy, Six of Coins right here, no? This person here is someone who will ask you to shh, keep your relationship from other people, no? Huwag niyo daw sabihin yung inyong relationship, huwag niyo ikwento sa mga friends ninyo. Yes, kahit sa mga close homies yan, hindi pwede. Kahit sa nanay ko, miss yan, hindi pwede, no? Hindi pwede. This is a secret relationship. Diba? Diba? Masusurya. Diba? Anong ibig na sabihin dito? Diba? Secret relationship na hindi mo maintindihan. No? Wala ka namang alam na itong person na to ay may iba bang ka in relationship. Ito bang person na 'to, meron ba siya ritong pinagtataguan? Or baka naman this is you, naisip mo, "Ay, tingin ko baka pinoprotektahan niya lang ako, hindi kaya meron mga tao ritong kaaway siya at ayaw niya akong madamay, masaktan." Talaga nga bang pinoprotektahan ka lang niya? Talaga nga bang wala siyang iba? Bakit nga ba? Sikreto muna ang relationship ninyo, 'di ba? Yeah, my poor baby, my poor sweetheart. This person is putting you in a secret relationship and you do not know why, but this person wants you to hush or to shh, keep quiet lang muna daw and trust him or her. Pagtiwalaan mo lang daw siya. Deserve ba niya na pagtiwalaan mo siya? Dapat nga ba pagtiwalaan mo siya? Kasi hindi niya dito sinasabi sa inyo kung ano yung reason why kaya kayo rito ay naguguluhan at nag-iisip dito, maybe this is a protection. Baka may kaaway siya bago pa ako dumating sa life niya at baka yung kaaway niya medyo agitated ng sobra, no? At maaring ginugulo siya at sinasaktan siya physically or whatever, no? So parang ayaw niya siguro akong madamay. Is this some kind of protection nga ba? Or may iba pa rito siyang pinoprotektahan at hindi ako? Yan. Good question, no? So nakita natin dito, no, na una sa lahat, kung wala namang kailangang itago, bakit naman hindi kailangang i-public, 'di ba? So you can be proud of your woman or your man right here, no? And yung alam mo yun, na parang, uy, ito nga pala yung um, woman ko or yung man ko ni 남자, ni 여자, 여자친구, 남자친구, 내 사랑, name it, no? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, you want to be proud and loud na, Nikoya, akin tong person na to. This person is mine. But you cannot do that because this person here asked you to hush and keep your relationship secret. Yan, no? And then, sasabihin niya na lang daw kung kailan pwedeng i-public ang inyo ritong relationship. And then, hindi niya sinasabi sa inyo, no? Yan. Alam mo mga babes, if someone wants you to trust him or her, dapat sabihin niya rin yung reason why. And he or she has to tell the truth about the reason behind, no? So, ang dami-dami rito mga babes na parang rason siya rito na magtiwala ka lang daw sa kanya, hanggang sa pwede niyang i-public ang inyong relationship. No? Kasi nakikita ko rito, hindi naman siya some kind of celebrity. Hindi rin naman siya rito person ng may pangalan na may hino-hold rito na reputation or whatever. But this person here wants to keep your relationship secret. Why? And that made you feel anxious. Hindi kayo makatulog kahit na napakaganda at payapa ng gabi. Kahit na hindi masyadong mainit sa gabi. Kahit na hindi naman rito mga babes, no, parang yung energy is um, kahit wala kayong ibang problema, no, na pwede naman kayo matulog ng mapayapa, hindi niyo magawa dahil dito sa person na to, no? So this person here cause you some kind of kilig, happiness, no? Yes, lagi kayo nagsismile because of this person right here, no? Everything feels light because of this person right here up until why, 'di ba? Why this person here wants our relationship to be in secret, no? So, I'm not the type of person, Miss Yan, na palagi kong magpo-post sa social media ng aking relationship. Hindi naman gano'n eh. So, kung yun yung iniisip niya or binabother niya rito, I'm not that kind of person. Yeah, I know. But that's not the case. But I'm glad na nakuha natin dito, no, yung reason why. Para matuldo ka na rin yung mga haka-haka, hinala mo at hindi ka rito mga babes na parang nagja-jump into different conclusions, no? Very cloudy ang iyo ritong mind, no? So with this Seven of Swords, this person here, you're right. He or she is protecting here the truth. Mm-mm. And not just that, ano bang truth yun, Miss Yan? Okay, one reason. He or she is protecting the truth na siya ay isang player connecting with other people. He or she can't or cannot be serious when it comes to love. No? So this person right here, hindi ka pa niya nakikitang boring, so hindi ka pa niya kayang bitawan. Lalo na if it just started recently. So hindi pa siya nagsasawa sa'yo, hindi ka pa niya nakikitang boring. I know, this may sound na parang gusto ninyong i-close yung fist ninyo ng ganito, tapos pag nakita ko yan, miss yan, nagigigil ako eh. Jumbagin ko yan. Diba? Yeah, that's one of the truth. But there's something worse pa dun. Second, this person here is protecting someone. This person might be a married man or a married woman already. That's high chance, no? Okay, so nakikita ko rito. So, kung sino man to, it could be both. Okay, na yun yung rason. Okay. Well, again, this person here is not someone who's really, in love with you. Because it looks like, mukhang itong person na to, no, is someone here na mukhang ganito na yung kanyang life talaga. So, it's up to you. Okay? Kaya mo naman na matupad yung wish mo na maging buo yan, no? Pero hindi ko nakikitang dito sa taong ito, no? So, you need to release this person here. You need to disconnect. You need to end this secret. What? Diba? WTF, no? Pero hindi natin kailangan banggitin yung F, no? Dahil tayo ay maaaring ma-restrict dito, no? Kaya what the heck na lang. What the heck? This is total BS, no? Kaya kung sino man tong energy na to, no? Ibasura mo na to mga babes, no? Para mauna ka ritong mawin, no? Bago ka pa niya, ibasura rito. You're connecting here with someone who is a basura. Okay? So, yan mga babes, ito yung mga messages right here for you guys. Again, in Yuriana on me. Sarang ngayon, love and light.